The article presents the initial results of a study on citizen participation in the constructions of open databases. These data banks are configured in turn as a primary source for the production of information based on the analysis, treatment and data visualization.
We believe that the processes derived from this collaborative practice constitute a different empowerment formula at the service of citizens.
In this sense, the study responds to the objectives of the two research projects of which is part.
In the current context of digital media and social networks, in which citizens go from being consumers to prosumers of information, they begin to demand transparency from the government and to become aware of their collective potential to change the world in which they live, buy and vote. Citizen participation, citizen journalism and crowdsourcing. In example, the collaborative constructions based on mass participation are the foundations of an emerging movement that goes beyond plain communication strategies. A movement that makes data available to citizens and seeks to establish patterns and standards that enable the extension of the phenomenon.
To explain the phenomenon of citizen empowerment based on open data, it was necessary to try to answer the following questions. Do these initiatives have enough common characteristics as to speak of a movement? How can the information based on open data be configured to try to construct reality? How important is the role of technology in the collaborative work with open data? Finally, what strategic basis can enhance efficiency in citizen decision-making?
To answer this question, this research study employed the case study technique. The study addresses a diverse group of specific initiatives related to the recurrent themes of citizen empowerment: project for the opening of data owned by companies and corporations, collaboration model used in a specific geographical region, data chain hubs and forums of other initiatives, and the role of journalism in the collaborative construction of information.
The analysis of these open data websites has allowed us to identify the technological and strategic elements that facilitate the collaborative reuse and retransmission of data for decision-making and social constructions of reality by the citizens.
The main conclusion of the study is that there is in fact a movement of open data-based initiatives. These projects mainly release public information of financial and political nature.
They also organize it mainly according to geopolitical criteria and make it available to citizens through technological standard and participation model that point out the way to achieve change.
We hope that this article will be interesting for you. Thank you very much.